Hi everyone, I'm Sharvari Phatak and welcome to a new video. Today's video is more inclined to the side of psychology rather than the usual topics I explore, which are mental health, positivity, and things like that. But since this channel is also dedicated to psychology and my domain, which is psychology, I think I should include some topics related to that too. So, without wasting any time, let's start. Now, this video is specially for those who are choosing maybe arts as a career option or are at the point of choosing their major and are confused about whether psychology is the right option to go with. Well, after all, it's a matter of perspective, but I think after this video, you might get a direction to your thought process. So, without wasting more time, I think we should start. So, I would say that after graduating with a degree in psychology, you don't get a lot of pay. Well, the definition of pay or good pay differs for every person, but in my opinion, the pay is medium. But if you love what you do, then I think the pay should not bother you. Now, let's see the different types of maybe people who have psychology as a degree and what they are doing today. The first is a clinical psychologist. What does a clinical psychologist exactly do? Well, the main job profile is to attend a patient when he or she comes and diagnose the patient with a disorder or kind of make out from the symptoms what a particular person might be suffering from. It is slightly to the medical side and it is mainly concerned with hospitals in general, or you can even set up your own clinic and practice as a clinical psychologist. The next is a counseling psychologist. With a counseling psychologist, you tend to vent out your feelings, and the counseling psychologist gives your thoughts a direction or helps you ease the problem which you may be having. There are examples of counseling psychologists like child counselors, adult counselors, marital counselors for marriage problems, and even counselors for senior citizens who may be feeling lonely or depressed due to their age or certain medical problems like dementia and Alzheimer's or things like that. The third is the industrial psychologist. Wow, this is a really great profession. You're the king of the corporate world in this case. The industrial psychologist is completely in charge of maintaining employee satisfaction, linking it with their job, and also thinking long term for the company and how they can improve on the basis of their employee satisfaction. After industrial psychologist comes health psychology, which is not a much explored field, you can say, but it is really good as well. Health psychologists mainly are concerned with the relation between the body and the mind. So stress, relaxation techniques, or a proper lifestyle, how to stay good mentally, is something what health psychologists do. There is a different one too, known as criminal or forensic psychology. This one is very interesting because many a times a person has committed a crime, he is brought into court, and then it is realized that the person did it due to some psychological disorder. How can the case proceed then? And that's where the job of the criminal psychologist is, to maybe test him or something of that sort so that the legal process can go further. Sports psychologists are also present who are may like they are concerned with team maintenance, then game performance and other things like good well-being, body, mind. So I think all of these are fantastic. I would say that getting a psychology degree is not at all easy, not at all a piece of cake, because you really need hard work, an analytical mind, a problem solving approach, and also an approach to things. That is why I would say that whenever you want to major in psychology, you should mean it from your heart. You should want to be a psychologist and help society, which is how you can really help people and go to them, approach them, and they can avail your help. So I end this video by saying a psychology degree would be most of the most amazing things, and it can really give you interesting things to know about. For me, I majored in psychology and I really have a great experience. So I think you should think about it, and I hope this video gave your thought process a really nice turn. That's it for this video. I will be posting videos quite frequently now. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also visit my page at Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. I'll be putting it in the description below. So you can find more content related to mental health, psychology, and well being there. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.